I am in the bus terminal of Tenosique Tabasco. Look, they keep some old mattresses in here. I don't know why. There's old mattresses there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of them. What I really want to tell you guys is that this is a shitty bus terminal because they don't even have air condition. The heat is so bad. It's almost 40 right now, and apart of that, the buses, the bathrooms have no toilet paper. Another thing is that they have a store here. Since I've been waiting the whole day here on the station because they only have one run to Mérida, Yucatan, so I had to be here for many hours, almost from midday. So I had lunch here at this store here. They have a store here, but look, the store closes early, and once this is closed, you can't even get a bottle of water. Nothing. The only people that you will see here is the taxi drivers waiting for people to come and get something, you know, to buy. To business to take them somewhere. See, not even a vendor out here. Nothing. Not one vendor. Not one sales person that you will say maybe selling coconuts or something. Nope. Nothing. This is bush. See, plantains, bananas, and everything else, and nothing else, guys. Nothing. No one sells nothing here. So I'm gonna be going to Merida without water. I am so thirsty. No water. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm so thirsty. There's nothing, nowhere around here. I'm not hungry because I ate lunch. I had a beautiful lunch there. The food was excellent. I had a adobo de puerco with some rice and refried beans on the side. But see, this is the name of it: Central de Autobuses, Superficie de Terreno, whatever, Señor Justo Díaz del Castillo, en beneficio de la población. See, this is the Tenosique. See, and then have a little entrada thing here. But I don't know why not even people come and sell here. They should come and sell drinks or something, you know, like I don't drink soft drinks, but at least I like water. I like water. That's it. But they don't even do that, you know. So we'll see what happens. I will just go on. I'll just go on go thirsty, I guess. Nothing else to do, I guess. I will just have to take it. So if you ever come to Tenosique Tabasco, you know the situation here at this station bus terminal is very crappy. Very crappy. Very crappy. So hot. And I don't understand why. I don't know why every time someone goes to the teller to do to buy a ticket, the lady takes so long also. I don't know, like they talk and talk and talk before they do any transaction. So yeah, a short little video just to let you know this is Tenosique Tabasco. Look, ooh, and nothing to buy, nothing to drink, absolutely nothing, for nothing. So my bus is coming soon. It's going to be here like at 7:30 to Mérida, Yucatan. So good thing I bought my ticket like last week, Thursday. So I just have to board the bus. I guess everyone here did also because there's only one run to Mérida. They don't have another one, the other one to go yet there, you know. So just a short thing to tell you, and that's the story. The taxi driver says you should make a video out of this because it's a shame. It's a shame that these people don't do something to this bus terminal. you know, because it's like it's been neglected so bad. I mean, you're a traveler. You want to take a coffee, let's say, or a water, even a Coke or some energy drink or something, you know, that most people like. And you cannot have it because the store closes. And it's not even that you're saying that it's late, because look, it's not late. It's 7:09, and it's been closed for maybe half an hour already. Half an hour already it's been closed, or maybe more. So they close at 6. I don't know. This is very, very, very bad. And then since it's so hot, you need a little liquid because you have to hydrate yourself. I know I can't because the store closed. And I didn't bought the water before. I had a water when I ate at lunchtime, but a big one. I didn't buy the water because I said, well, I will buy it last when before the bus comes, you know, so I could have a nice cold bottle of water, so it's not hot, because it's so hot here. It's almost 40, and then nothing. No, I can't have water. These people that came also, they were going to go buy water, and they said, oops, it's closed. See? And the strange thing is that there's no one selling outside. No one. I mean, you could have a good business here, you know, just come and sell your coconuts or water, bottled water, anything. Even snacks people will buy, you know, like a little chips, a bag of chips or something. You never know. Maybe they'll get hungry, or cookies or something. I don't buy cookies or chips, but other people do. I don't like eating in the bus. So, okay. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And this is a complaint video for this bus terminal here in Tenosique, Tabasco. And please give me a like on my videos, guys. Watch my videos. Please subscribe. I have a lot of subscribers, almost 9,000 subscribers, but very little comments and almost no likes. So I don't know, maybe I'm doing something wrong that you guys don't like my videos. But I will start traveling soon, and I'm going to be doing other content. Maybe this is not my style of videos. Maybe I change to something else. I don't know. Maybe complaint videos like this one. Yeah, good thing I travel with toilet paper in my bag, you know. I'm always prepared when I go to pee and that, because I you know, sometimes there's no toilet paper. Maybe it's finished or something, but then I asked the lady, and the lady says, oh, no. She says, we don't keep paper in the bathroom anymore. I said, really? I said, I thought maybe you ran out of paper. She said, no, they don't give us paper anymore. That's very sad, guys. How can you have a bathroom? Good thing they had soap. maybe later they won't even have soap anymore there, and water. So yeah, they had soap and the running water and that, but that's it. No toilet paper. So if you are in a situation that you need toilet paper to go to the bathroom, you're going to be in big trouble. Big trouble, because there is no toilet paper in the bus terminal of Tenosique, Tabasco. So, and did you see the benches is only like little? They're not bad, because I've been sitting here for a while. So they're not, I can't say they're comfortable, but they're a little wobbly, and that when someone sits behind you, you feel them wobbling and that. But otherwise, from then it's fine. I don't complain about the benches. They're not bad. They're not bad. They're not the best, but they're not bad. But they could have a little air condition. This is very small. Look, it's very small building, so they could have air condition and try to make it a little better, you know, a little cleaner, because even the floors are dirty. They're all stained. The poor old lady that comes cleaning here, you know, she could barely see, I think, I don't know, or maybe just don't care. So soon my bus will be here, and then I will be boarding to Merida, Yucatan. I really want to know why they have these old mattresses. Like, it looks like from a hospital or something. I hope not. I don't know why. I don't know what's the story behind those mattresses. Maybe I will ask someone, but I don't know if they know. And I don't want to make it too obvious that I am recording here. I'm just walking up and down here so they don't see it. They think I'm talking to someone on the phone. Even if this is my GoPro. Yeah. So, and I don't want to go straight to the teller and ask her, you know, the lady, why do you keep those old mattresses there? Yeah, she might see that I'm recording, and she said, oh, maybe I could ask one of the taxi drivers, because the guy was pretty mad about it also, that they don't have stuff. Let me go see if he can tell me, because he will speak to me, but the others, they won't, because of course she's selling tickets there, so she won't. Let me see. Descansando. Oiga, señor, yo le iba a preguntar algo. ¿Cuál es la historia de que tienen allá adentro esos colchones? Hay 6 colchones viejos ahí. Adentro de la terminal.
Es que ahí adentro duermen a lo mejor los renovaron, porque allá adentro duermen los choferes que vienen de noche.
Es para que se descansen ellos.
Ya los retiraron.
Por eso. Yo dije, ¿van a hacer un hospital o algo? Okay. So guys, they say that the mattresses are for the bus drivers, that they come and sometimes they have to sleep here, and that's where they sleep. Can you believe it? That's where they sleep. I said, oh my God. Well, I guess it works for them. Old mattresses on the floor, all ripped, dirty. Another thing, guys, before I leave, they have the walking thing here for the handicapped. But look, the door is locked. Look at this. I have to go on the stairs, and they are here, and this door is locked, so they can't even use it. They can't use it anymore because it's locked, so you can't do it. See you.